What if I told you that a small trucking startup with just a handful of trucks could operate with the efficiency of a company running hundreds of vehicles? No massive dispatch team. No endless phone calls. No whiteboards covered with driver names and routes. Just a small team, and artificial intelligence. Today, AI is quietly transforming the trucking industry, and the companies that understand how to use it are gaining a massive advantage. In this video, I'm going to show you how a trucking startup automated its dispatch operations using AI scheduling tools, dramatically reduced costs, improved delivery times, and scaled operations faster than traditional fleets. If you run a trucking company, logistics startup, or supply chain operation, what you're about to learn could completely change how you manage your fleet. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how AI dispatch systems work, what tools are driving this transformation, and how even small trucking companies can implement this technology. Let's dive in. The trucking industry moves over 70% of all freight in the United States. Every day, millions of trucks are transporting goods across highways, delivering everything from food and medicine to electronics and construction materials. But behind this massive industry lies a surprisingly outdated system. Dispatching. In many trucking companies, dispatching still works the same way it did 20 years ago. A dispatcher sits in an office coordinating drivers through phone calls, emails, and spreadsheets. Every single day, they must assign loads to drivers, plan routes, adjust delivery schedules, track driver hours, handle unexpected delays, communicate with customers, and coordinate with freight brokers. Now imagine doing this for 10 trucks. Then imagine doing it for 20. Then 50. The complexity grows exponentially. One small mistake can cause a cascade of problems. A missed call can delay a delivery. A poorly planned route wastes fuel. A driver waiting for their next load can lose hours of productivity. And every hour a truck sits idle costs money. For startups entering the trucking industry, dispatch quickly becomes one of the biggest operational bottlenecks. Most trucking startups begin small. Maybe 2 trucks. Then 5. Then 10. At first, dispatching seems manageable. The owner may even act as the dispatcher. But as the business grows, the workload increases dramatically. Dispatchers are suddenly responsible for coordinating dozens of deliveries across multiple cities or states. They must track driver availability, hours of service, compliance, delivery deadlines, traffic conditions, vehicle capacity, fuel costs. At the same time, customers expect real-time updates. Freight brokers expect quick responses. Drivers need immediate communication. And when problems happen, and they always do, the dispatcher must react instantly. This creates an enormous amount of stress and inefficiency. Dispatchers spend hours manually solving problems that could be optimized automatically. And this is exactly where AI scheduling technology enters the picture. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming logistics. Major shipping companies are already investing billions into AI-powered operations. But what many people don't realize is that AI tools are now accessible to small trucking companies as well. AI scheduling systems use advanced algorithms to analyze large volumes of operational data and generate optimized dispatch plans. These systems consider dozens of variables simultaneously. Driver location, delivery deadlines, traffic patterns, distance between pickup and drop-off points, fuel efficiency, vehicle capacity, driver working hours. Within seconds, the AI system can determine the most efficient way to assign loads and plan routes across an entire fleet. This eliminates much of the manual guesswork involved in dispatching. Instead of spending hours coordinating schedules, dispatchers can simply review and approve AI-generated assignments. The technology doesn't replace dispatchers. It empowers them. Let's talk about a real scenario. A trucking startup began operations with 3 trucks. Within 2 years, they had grown to 12. Growth was great for revenue. But operational chaos followed. Dispatchers were overwhelmed. Drivers were sometimes waiting hours for new assignments. Routes weren't always optimized. Empty miles were increasing. And customer service calls were becoming constant. The company realized something had to change. Instead of hiring multiple new dispatchers, they decided to implement an AI-powered dispatch scheduling platform. This decision would completely transform their operation. The first feature they implemented was AI load matching. Traditionally, dispatchers manually assign loads to drivers based on availability. But this process often leads to inefficiencies. A driver might travel long distances empty just to pick up their next load. Or a dispatcher may assign a load to the wrong driver simply due to time pressure. AI load matching solves this problem. The system automatically analyzes driver location, truck capacity, delivery deadlines, pickup proximity. Within seconds, the platform determines the best driver for each load. The dispatcher reviews the recommendation and approves it. This alone dramatically reduced empty miles. The next major improvement was route optimization. AI systems can analyze traffic conditions, weather patterns, and historical delivery data to determine the fastest and most efficient route. Instead of relying on static GPS navigation, AI systems dynamically adjust routes in real time. If traffic congestion occurs, the route changes. If weather conditions worsen, alternative paths are suggested. If delivery deadlines shift, the system recalculates priorities. This type of optimization significantly reduces fuel consumption and delivery delays. Driver hours of service regulations are one of the most complex aspects of trucking operations. Drivers can only operate a certain number of hours before mandatory rest periods. Tracking this manually can be extremely difficult. AI scheduling systems automatically monitor driver compliance. The system ensures that any assigned route or load fits within legal driving limits. This eliminates compliance risk while protecting driver safety. The AI platform also integrated with GPS fleet tracking systems. This allowed dispatchers to see every truck's location in real time. More importantly, the system used this data to continuously optimize scheduling decisions. For example, if a driver finished a delivery early, the system immediately identified nearby loads. If a truck experienced delays, the AI recalculated future assignments automatically. This level of visibility dramatically improved operational flexibility. Customers today expect transparency. They want to know when shipments are picked up, in transit, delayed, or delivered. Previously, dispatchers spent hours answering status inquiries. The new system automated these updates. Customers received notifications through email or text whenever shipment status changed. This improved customer satisfaction and reduced inbound calls. Within 3 months of implementing AI dispatch automation, the startup saw remarkable results. Dispatcher workload dropped significantly. Empty miles decreased. Delivery times improved. Driver satisfaction increased. And the company was able to expand its fleet without hiring additional dispatch staff. AI essentially became a virtual operations manager. The trucking industry is entering a new technological era. AI-powered tools are beginning to impact nearly every aspect of logistics. Predictive maintenance systems analyze engine data to prevent breakdowns. AI voice assistants allow drivers to communicate hands-free. Automated load boards match freight with available carriers instantly. And intelligent dispatch systems optimize fleet operations continuously. Companies that adopt these technologies early will gain enormous advantages. If you're running a trucking company or logistics startup, implementing AI doesn't require a massive investment. Many modern fleet management platforms now include AI-powered dispatching features. The key steps are: digitize your dispatch process, integrate GPS tracking systems, implement AI scheduling software, connect customer notification systems. Once these systems are integrated, the benefits compound rapidly. The trucking industry may be one of the oldest industries in the modern economy, but it's rapidly becoming one of the most technologically advanced. Artificial intelligence is turning dispatch from a chaotic manual process into an intelligent automated system. For trucking startups, this technology levels the playing field. Small fleets can now operate with the efficiency of much larger carriers. And as AI continues to evolve, the companies that embrace automation will lead the future of logistics. If you enjoyed this breakdown of how AI is transforming trucking operations, make sure to subscribe to the Grow with Technology channel, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping industries and creating new opportunities for businesses. And if you want to learn how to implement AI automation in your own business, connect with Richard Butler Jr., Senior Technology Consultant at World Tel Corporation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.